Hi guys, welcome to Studies SFDC and this is Manoj. Agenda of this video is to know about the buttons and links in Salesforce. What are buttons and links? Custom buttons and links can connect users to external applications such as web pages and launch custom links. We can customize the button action as per the business needs. Once you assign a function to the custom button, you can perform that function by simply clicking that custom button. You can also choose the display windows property to determine how the window display to the users, like in the same window or a separate window. You can add the target URL while pressing the link. The button redirects to the targeted website. We also add dynamic custom links based on the object field's input values. When do we use custom buttons and links? We can create the custom button when we need customized action for the business requirement. Example, if you want to validate your social security number or PAN number, you have to open the respective external site to verify it by typing it. Instead, you can give a link in record page itself as a custom button to redirect along with the social security number or PAN number. Custom buttons and links can streamline actions within Salesforce and integrate Salesforce data with external URLs, applications, or systems. Note: Salesforce provides standard buttons that are edit, delete, view, and new. You can override the behavior of standard buttons like new, edit, and view. The only difference between buttons and links is how it is displayed and where it is displayed. Custom button, a rectangular bar just like any button. Custom link, it is an anchor tag. Let's go to the demo. In the student object, there is a field called address. There is a business requirement to navigate this address to Google Maps. Let me show you how I am achieving this using custom buttons. Click the setup icon and go to edit object. Click button links and actions. Click the new button or links. Give some meaningful name in labels. There are three display types in custom buttons and links. First, detail page link. It adds the link to custom link section of your page layout. Detail page button. It adds the custom button to a record detail page. You can add detail page buttons to the button section of a page layout. And list button. It adds custom button to a list view, search result layout, or related list. You can add list buttons to related list section of a page layout or the list view and search layout. Now I am going to create detail page link. As I already said, this behavior will help you to open the window in a new window or in the same window with sidebar or without sidebar and without sidebar and header. In content source, you can choose URL or Visual Force page. Here I am choosing URL. Type your URL here. This is the URL for Google Maps to search places. Here we can add dynamically the address. By doing this, we can dynamically search the places in Google Maps. Click Save and OK. After creating detail page link, we have to go to page layouts to add the link in the page layout. Under the custom links, drag and drop the detail page link which we have created now. Click and save. Go to the record page to view the detail page link. In record page, we can see the detail page link. If you click it, it is automatically redirecting to the place of our address. The Coimbatore is the address, so it is redirected to Coimbatore in Google Maps. Similarly, we can create detail page button and list button. Detail page button will be displayed in the record page of the details. This Google navigation is a detail page button which we created already. Similarly, list view button can be viewed in list view. This Google navigation is a list view button we created already. And also, list view buttons can be viewed in related list of that object. This Google navigation list view is already created by us. That's all about buttons and links. We will see standard button overriding in our upcoming videos. Thank you guys. Subscribe to our channel to see more such videos.